Hello guys, right, we're here today. We're going to have a look at, I've been asked to come and see this by a Richard Kitchen, okay, and it's called Eat My Buns, which is this place here, okay, and it's supposed to be absolutely marvellous. So we're going to go in and give it a review today, and we'll see how we go on. But it's been highly recommended by these people, so let's go and have a look. Here it is, Eat My Buns. Menu. Loaded fries, buckets, peri peri, burgers,
Just a few pieces. The big ones on the boat.
spoiled for choice. Hiya. So what's your best seller?
Are you in
I
the
would
beef or
highly
chicken?
recommend chicken. It's not a big chicken. How are you, mate? Yeah.
Here's boss man, so.
Alright, boss man.
What do you recommend chicken wise?
You want mega burger?
A mega chicken.
Chicken strips. Yeah, and cheese. Or fully loaded. Or fully loaded's got the onion rings and hash brown.
Yeah, go on, why not?
Or do you want supreme? Just got the hash brown and chicken. Very filling. Don't know how much you can eat. I can't finish one. I'm a
You
big
can't?
man. No.
I'll have the first one that you said then.
Right, get them with the chicken strips on it.
Yeah?
Extra cheese?
Yeah.
No. What? Spicy or normal?
Spice, please.
Can you handle your spice? Not for the faint-hearted.
No, I don't want it mega up, no.
Alright, we'll give it a light spice.
Yeah, I like one.
Meal, yeah?
Yeah,
Peri
please.
chips or normal?
Normal chips, normal chips, yeah.
Any vinegar?
No.
What
What we got?
13 to choose from.
13 drinks.
You got any Diet Coke?
Yes, we have.
I'll have one of them, mate, please.
Not Pepsi, Diet Coke.
That's the one. Definitely.
I'm a big believer in that. I don't like Pepsi. I'm a Coke
No,
man.
I'm not a Pepsi fan.
So I tell everyone, Coke's better. Have Coke.
Definitely. 100%.
Maybe a fully
How
loaded.
much for all you, Chuck?
What are you doing a review on this?
Yeah, I am.
Give it you for free.
I'll be honest.
And that's not a bribe.
All right, thank you very much.
I would rather have an honest review.
How much would it have been? Because that's what they're going to ask me.
£6.50.
So what have we got him?
Oh no, what you got?
Mega burger.
Yeah, £6 plus a meal, £7.50.
Right, £7.50. That sounds good to me.
No, it's just what it is. I don't mind a bad review personally. It is what it is. But if you don't know, you don't learn.
Exactly. Well, it's been highly recommended.
Yeah, I mean people seem to be loving it.
Yeah.
I think we've got it right. We're doing it right. I'll make less food. I'll tell you to wait 10 minutes. It
You'll
is
wait
what it
for
is.
good food, won't you?
This is my point, and I say it to every customer that comes in the door. I would wait for good food, so I would expect you to wait for good food.
Yeah,
If you want
definitely.
that processed meat and you want that processed food, you can go elsewhere. I just
course,
don't do it.
no.
I don't sell it.
No.
I wouldn't eat it, so I wouldn't sell it. That's my motto.
Top man.
Yeah, take a seat, buddy.
Thanks very much.
Over.
Cheers, buddy.
Amazing.
And 3-piece boneless meal, please.
Yeah, very salt.
No more on that one.
I've got mixed up.
Yeah.
Look at that. The burger. Oh. Sauce underneath. Look at that, guys. Let's have a look at this burger. Look at this. Look at that. Oh. Cheese comes through. The spice. Crunchy lettuce with cheese. coming through.
Okay, take something here.
That is amazing. And we've even got chicken strips in it,
Are you ready to take that one?
in the burger. Oh, that chicken's so juicy. Taste the juice. Absolutely stunning. The chips, frozen chips, yeah. Again, another chicken strip. It's got the cheese on it. Messy. Lovely. That is, guys, absolutely outstanding. Try and pick this burger up again. The chicken, unbelievable.
Yeah, both of them carry it.
So now, look at the garlic dip. Chips in that. Nice and creamy, plenty of garlic in it. Taste the garlic. Look at that. Burger. Oh. Nice chips. You can have the salt and pepper chips, peri peri chips. So much choice. Still, you can't get through this burger.
Can we have some sauces, please?
Well, guys, I'm going to have to take the rest home. That's what's left. But I'm not wasting it, I'm taking it home. Because I can't finish it, but it is absolutely stunning. Score-wise. That's going to have to be a 9.5. 9.5. Absolutely delish. You've got to get yourself down here. Definitely. A wonderful place. Great food. Lovely staff. So polite and helpful. Stocky Bloke gives it a big bob on. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you on my next video. I think my next one's going to be a Greek one. Keep your eye out for that. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all soon.